Hello, this is Amber Wood. Welcome to video 27. Today we are going to be looking at the Physicians Formula Butter Collection. This is, totally hyped up online. A lot of people were loving it. It got sold out. I was able to get one, so I'm going to try it out today and see what we think. The Butter Collection is a limited edition. So it is on sale right now for $30 on the Physicians Formula website. You can find it there. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe below and do it today. Thank you. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get a little note every time I have a new video. Thank you. There is going to be a giveaway today. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can find out how to win a little prizey prize. So let's get into the video. The Physicians Formula. It says it is a $70 value. Now I did look on the Ulta website. We're trying to see if this is Amberrific or no. On the Ulta website, just looking up the actual products that are in there. You've got the Butter Bronzer, which costs $14.99. You've got the Butter Highlighter, which is $10.99. And then the Butter Blush is a $12.99. So already right there, you've passed up the cost for the whole thing, and you get 2 extra products inside. So it's really a beautiful, box. Inside you see there's 4 products and then a little perfume. So you've got, like I said, the bronzer, blush, a highlighter. There's a body butter, and then the Butter Paradise. Now, everybody online was talking about this smell, that, how great it is. So I'm interested to try it out, see, if we like it or not. So let's see if I can get in here. I have not opened this yet. Let's start with the blush. Okay, let's take a look at the blush. It says on the back that it's Muru Butter Blush Natural Glow. I don't even know if here we go. You have to push the thing to open it. Ooh, it comes with a little thingy in the bottom. What is this? I don't know what this is. This is cute. It's like a foam. That's how I'm supposed to put on the blush. Oh, there's a little mirror in there. How cute is that? I don't want to put the blush on with that, though. I don't know. I don't know about that. I'm going to use a brush instead of this little thing, but it's really cute. I'm going to use, I have some new brushes I just got in my BoxyCharm. So these are brand new brushes from Luxie. This is Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. So let's see. The color's kind of, it's not real pinky pink. It's kind of champagne-ish color, if you will. I don't see a lot of product kicking up. Let's see. So I have not put blush on yet. Oh, here it comes. Okay. So it's kind of shimmery. It's pretty. I usually wear more pink, so I'm just not used to this kind of coloring. I am in a blushy family, Megan. So I'm not seeing a lot of pink, which I already said, it's not really pink. It's kind of a champagne color, but it is really pretty. It's very shimmery. So if you like a shimmer, I do love a shimmer. I'm really kind of, let me just try it with this little applicator and see what that does, because I don't really understand this applicator. It's like a foam, I don't get that. I have never seen anything like that in my life for a blush. I don't know, but it's very cute. Physicians Formula, very cute. I just don't understand it. We're gonna put it back in there. Okay, so very cute blush. Let's go with the bronzer next. So the bronzer says, again, Muru Butter Bronzer. So apparently there's some kind of smell. Oh, it has a thingy in there too. It's bigger. There's a big one in the bottom of that. Ooh, look at that mirror. That's nice. Let me smell it, because apparently there's a smell. Let me use a different brush here. I don't smell anything, but maybe my nose is messed up. So what I usually use is the Benefit Hula. So that one's like really brown. This one's pretty though. It's just not as dark as the Benefit one that I use. So I'll hold that one up so you can kind of compare. Let's just do a little comparison here. There's the Hula, and then there's the Butter Bronzer. So you can see the difference in the color. This one's just a little bit lighter. And the powders are just not as coming off as much. Oh, yeah, it is. I lied. Okay, maybe it was just the blush. This one just came off all over the place. So maybe you just got to get past that top layer. Oh, this is pretty. So this one's not shimmery, which I don't feel like you really want a shimmer with your, if you're doing contour and such. But some people like that. But that shimmer with the blush is pretty. Oh my God, y'all. It's pretty. Okay, so what else we got? We got a butter highlighter. So this one doesn't come in a compact. This one is just an unscrew little guy. Look how pretty. I love the imprint on all of these. It feels so nice. Look at that. Wow. It's pretty. Okay, let me use this other brush. So I got 3 brand new brushes, so that worked out perfectly. This is beautiful. Let's see how this works out. Ooh, yeah. It's pretty. Ooh, do a little Cupid's bow action. Ooh, that's very shimmery. My eye makeup's getting jacked. Q-tip! Q-tip! Oh, yeah. Gotta fix that eye makeup. I was just watching a video with Jeffree Star and Lipstick Nick, and she was talking about having a leaky eye. And hello. I mean, I was like, oh my God, I have the same problem. I have a leaky eye, and it always messes up my makeup. So it really annoys me. So it's interesting that she has a leaky eye as well. Okay, so I feel very shimmery. I don't know if you can see this on camera as much as you can in person under these lights. Let me get a little closer. Look at that cut crease though. I did good on my cut crease. This shimmer, I'm enjoying. It is a lovely shimmer. Okay, moving on. Those are all Amberrific. The only thing I was kind of iffy on is the blush, and that's only because I'm more of a pink kind of a girl. I try to branch out, but it's tough. Oh my God, this is big. That's what she said. What? Body butter. So let's take a little, this is, ooh, okay. Let's see what we think. Ooh, oh. I don't smell anything. Let me read you what it says on the website about this product. It says that this is a new limited edition body butter. You're supposed to escape to the beaches of Brazil with Physicians Formula Butter Collection, assortment of the most sought-after skin-loving products infused with powerful blend of muru butter. So that's the butter we kept talking about. And the Kupau Cuckoo butter. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And Tucuma butter from the lush, nutrient-rich Amazon. I'm butchering these names, by the way. Our butter collection is packed with essential fatty acids, provitamins that soften, condition, and moisturize the skin. Limited edition set features full-sized fan favorite shades, butter bronzer, butter blush, butter highlighter, along with the new body butter Paradise Eau de Toilette, guaranteed to leave you thoroughly buttered up. Okay, so I'm going to get a little knuckle. That's how I usually do in these kind of things. And let's just kind of smooth that on and see what we think. Let me do it on the other side too. Ooh, okay. I love a lotion. Y'all, I lotion, just a little note for you. Every time I take a bath or a shower, I lotion my entire body. Gotta stay soft, you know? Okay, that's nice. I can kind of smell it, yeah. My nose is stupid right now, so it may be me. But I can smell it, that it smells nice. And it's a big container. Like, it's not just a very small amount of product. All right, let's get this Eau de Toilette and see what we think about that. Eau de Toilette. So it's a cute. So apparently this is supposed to be, you know, very tropical, like a summer scent, you know, that kind of thing. I do have my other perfume on, so maybe I'll spray further up on my arm. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it does kind of smell like the products. That's funny. I look stupid smelling my arm like this. Y'all, it smells good. It does smell good. It's very kind of buttery, like I was reading online though, like people were going crazy for this smell, and then some people were like, I don't know what the big deal is. So it's kind of one way or the other, really. That's what I've heard, but it smells good. So, you know, I'm kind of like, yeah, I'm glad I bought that. It was $30, $70 value. You get the 3 like main products, and then they have these 2 limited editions that add in. It's still available on their website right now. It is a limited edition, so if you're interested, I suggest you get on over there and check it out. But I did promise at the end of this video that there is a giveaway. So on my Instagram, I'm going to be posting a giveaway for, guess what? I bought 2! So I'm going to give away a whole box collection, brand new, never opened. I'll give one away. So the instructions are going to be on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, make sure you get on Amber_Wood422. I'll say that again. Amber_Wood422. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out the post on there so you can see the instructions for entering the giveaway. But y'all, I think these products are great. The only thing I was kind of having an issue with, I mentioned it before, was the blush was not real pink, but you can see it's lovely shimmer. I think they're beautiful products. My eye is still jacked. There we go. They're beautiful. They go on really nicely. Got to just get past that first level, I think, because it was just, you know, the very pressed powders into those compacts. But after that, you know, the payoff is really nice. The shimmers are lovely, and it feels nice, very buttery, as it says, butter collection. But yeah, I think it's Amberrific, and you guys are gonna love it. And if you guys have tried any of these products from Physician Formulas before, if you have like individual ones that you've tried, let me know below what you think about it. If you guys like them, if you use them all the time. I'm kind of new to Physician's Formula, so I haven't really tried many of their products before, but so far I'm saying 2 thumbs up, you know, I'm digging it. I like it. So if you want to enter my giveaway, like I said, make sure you go and check out my Instagram. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe below today and check out my other videos. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.